Hey, hello, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You are watching Sampath SamFX channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about this ArrowOS 11 based on Android 11 February security patch. And if you are first time to this channel and if you want this custom ROMs on Android 11 for Redmi Note 7 Pro, as you can see, this ArrowOS 11 based on February 5th security patch. And this the quick settings. And do subscribe guys if you are first time watching these videos, such that you will get similar kind of videos. As you can see, this the Android 11 logo, and this the quick settings. As you can see, flashlight, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, internet, everything is working fine here. From here you can drag the icons to add in the quick settings. Even the FPS info overlay is also available. This is the ArrowOS version. You can take the screenshot from the quick settings also. You can even share, edit and delete from here. It's fine, working fine. This is the setting. It's also stock type ROM. As you can see, you'll get all the battery settings. As you can see, in the battery saver, extreme battery saver is not available here, but anyhow, smart charging is enabled. You can stop trigger level, even the start trigger level. These options are also available. Smart charging is available. Even the battery light in do not disturb mode, backlight, everything is available in this ROM. I have used this ROM for 2 to 3 days. It's working fine, no problem in the battery life also. As you can see, it's fine actually. And coming to display settings, you will get this brightness level controller. Even the dark theme you can turn on from here. In the color bucket options are also given to choose the dark theme, different types of dark themes. And even you can schedule. This how it looks in the quick settings panel. Even the settings panel turned dark. Let me turn off. You can schedule it out. Even you can change this color bucket options are also given you. Little bit of tweaking, I mean the presets. The adaptive brightness is also working fine. Coming to styles and wallpapers, there are only few styles and grid types. Wallpapers are also only one. You can download any third-party wallpaper apps and use. This is all the lock screen settings, the watch style. Coming to screen timeout, it's available. This is the bug I am noticing from long time on all ROMs, colors settings. And coming to sound settings, as you can see, these are all the sound settings you'll get. You can turn off touch vibration from here also. And accessibility settings, let me show. Accessibility menu, where is the option? It's missing here. And some of the buttons options are given. Enable advanced restart option is also given, and power menu actions are also given. Invert layout, playback control, volume, wake. These features are working fine. It's good, simple ROM, but some features are missing. Let's hope they will add in the next build. Even the gesture settings are available. As you can see, you can change the pill length, I mean the gesture bar length. This feature is also available. The customization is available in this ROM. Even the power menu, double tap on screen is also available. Digital well-being is also working fine in this ROM. Some of the violet parts are given. As you can see, FPS info overlay. This I have told. Even in the quick settings you can on off from there. And Mi sound enhancer is also given. You can choose the headset type. Mi headphones I am choosing. You can choose anything based upon your liking. Those things are also given in this ROM. It's simple ROM but working fine. As you can see, scrolling speeds, zooming in, zooming out, scrolling between apps, everything is working fine here. No problem or anything like that. coming to safety net test, as you can see the status, safety net status, it's get passed. It's fine, no need to install any file. As coming to Geekbench scores, as you can see, Geekbench 5 app, I have this around 492 and 1332. It's very good score for Redmi Note 7 Pro. I mean the Snapdragon 675. It's fine, nothing great or anything like that. It's not a gaming ROM, but you can game on this ROM with that high scores. And this is the Google Go camera you get in this ROM. If you want this AirNow 7.4, you can install through. There is a Telegram group, Violet Photography. From there you can get this app. You can use the AirNow build 7.4. As you can see, it's working fine in the night shot mode. Let me all over this. Let me zoom. As you can see, you can easily read that. Okay, it's clear, fine in this ROM. You can use that Gcam. And WhatsApp also working fine in this ROM, no problem in this ROM. And let me show the speed test in this ROM. You can definitely use it as a daily driver if you like stock type ROMs. As you can see, I have 100 Mbps plan. It is pulling up to 92 Mbps, 93. As you can see, it's fine, no problem with the internet connected. Even the calling, everything is fine. And coming to this lock screen, I mean the fingerprint scanner, it's working fine. As you can see, little bit of microsecond delay I am noticing compared to other ROMs. I previously made some videos, little bit of delay. From here you can access the Google Assistant also. It's good ROM, you can use it as a daily driver. And do comment down below guys if you want to see any special videos on this Redmi Note 7 Pro like Gcam type versions. Then do comment down below. And this is the gameplay you will get. And this is the volume panel you will get in this ROM. And certainly it's a very good ROM, you can use it as a daily driver. And do comment down below what all the different types of videos you want to see in this channel based on Redmi Note 7 Pro and regarding custom ROMs, even the kernels. Do comment down below. I'll make similar kind of videos. I already made several videos on earphones and some smartphone reviews unboxing. Do check out that if you have interest in that. And also subscribe to my channel and meet you in the next video. We'll meet in the next video. You don't get any face unlock in this ROM. You have smart lock like Pixel experience. Let's see. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Bye bye now.